What's up, guys? My name is Elder T. Merchant. I've been playing drums for 21 years. I play with a variety of artists, singers, songwriters, artists by the name of Felt, Brandon Lucas, Ashton Martin, and many more. I play a variety of genres. I played with a variety of bands, a band called David E. Beats and the White House Band, Abomination, Gozer, Melted, and the current group I've made since 2020 called Banquet. I play Collision Drumsticks 7A. They're my favorite. I love them. Absolutely love them. And the reason why I love them is because of their durability and their reliability. And that's exactly what I need. They have this fantastic weight distribution from bottom to tip. And that plays a significant part for the type of music that I play. Sonically, I need to be as dynamic as possible depending on who I'm playing with, how many other musicians I'm playing with. For example, if playing with the trio or quartet. So it can get a little crazy and it gives me that versatility. I'm about to play to a beat I made called Oh No. It's not released yet. It will be soon. But I hope you enjoy. Check it out. See you soon. Peace.